Hello, candidate number 11. All right, before
Hi,
we
Miss
chit chat.
Carla.
Hello. Before we chit chat, can you choose a question for me? You can make okay if you like. Okay, candidate number 11. What's your favorite activity you guys have done so far?
My favorite activity so far was the one we had at Knapsack Studio. Aside from the self-defense, we also had flexibility training, and I suck at dancing, so that was a great help for me.
Oh, I'm part of Knapsack actually.
No doubt.
Yeah, I'm an honorary member. Di lang ko nila pasayawon, nabot lang.
Because you sing.
Oh yes, I also do sing.
Sample.
Yeah, we were told not to disturb the weather this evening. All right, candidate number 11, your question for this evening. What can you advise the Cebuano community with the rising fuel and basic commodities prices? Again, what can you advise the Cebuano community with the rising fuel and basic commodities prices?
I would tell the Cebuanos to simply adapt and understand. Our government is also doing their best to adjust in us. So let's do our part as a community member to also adjust in those perspectives. But if we help together, if we work together, we would have an amazing world. We would have an amazing Cebu. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 11. All right, let's welcome our last but certainly not the least candidate this evening. Candidate number 12, Miss Lorraine Han. Hello, Lorraine.
Hello, good evening, Miss Carla. Good evening, everybody.